Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kuheana uteithio uyu, First Lady augite ati uteithio uyu ni ukwambatiria ikiro cia urigitani thibitari-ini ino na ikorwo iri uteithio munene kuri aikari. Oho ni atugiritie thibitari ino ni undu wa kuiga mitaratara ya gutigirira ati ni maheana urigitani ukinyanire kuri arwaru.
I congratulate you on receiving the Johnson & Johnson's Best Maternity in Eastern Award in 2013. Congratulations.
Na riri thi yothe irorete gukungwira muthe wa murimu wa HIV, First Lady ni ahinyiririe a Kenya metikire kunyitanira niguo kurua na murimu uyu.
As the world will be celebrating World AIDS Day, we made a commitment to win a global war to fight against HIV and AIDS. Tomorrow we will celebrate the wins we have made over this disease that once claimed millions of lives.
Ona kuri uguo, First Lady ni acakaite akiuga ni kieha mbeu njethi aria ni rucio rwa bururi uyu nio magumeirwo makiria ni murimu uyu.
So we must keep working and spreading information about the risks to our youth, because only then will we move closer to victory and win this war.
Igongona riri ni rigwikinyitio ni atongoria matiganite a mwena ucio kuria macokeirie First Lady ngatho ni undu wa utana wake wa gutigirira a Kenya ni magia na urigitani mukinyaniru. Uteithio wa mbere wa dawa na indo cia thibitari waheanirwo ni First Lady kuri thibitari ya Chimolingot mwena wa Baringo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Kirago wa Monyo.
Tuwapige makofi. Hivi sasa wamepokezana stakabadhi hizo ambayo ni